In the realm of adventure travel and off-road exploration, the Rey Camper van has emerged as a game-changer, redefining the boundaries of what a camper van can achieve. Designed for those who seek both rugged durability and home-like comfort, the Rey Camper van is engineered to tackle the toughest terrains while providing a luxurious living experience for its occupants. The Rey Camper van is a robust and versatile vehicle built for the modern adventurer. Its design emphasizes durability and functionality, making it the ideal choice for off-road enthusiasts who are drawn to remote and rugged destinations. The van's exterior is crafted to withstand the harshest conditions, featuring a reinforced chassis and heavy-duty suspension system. This rugged build ensures that the Rey can handle challenging landscapes, from rocky trails to muddy paths, without compromising its performance or safety. One of the standout features of the Rey Camper van is its off-road capability. Equipped with advanced four-wheel drive technology, this camper van is designed to provide excellent traction and stability on uneven terrain. The high ground clearance and skid plates offer added protection against obstacles, allowing the Rey to navigate rough trails with ease. Whether you're exploring remote national parks or venturing into untamed wilderness, this van is built to get you there and back, no matter how rugged the journey. Inside, the Rey Camper van offers a blend of comfort and convenience that sets it apart from other off-road vehicles. The interior is thoughtfully designed to maximize space and functionality, providing all the amenities needed for extended trips. The van features a well-equipped kitchenette with a stove, sink, and refrigerator, allowing travelers to prepare meals while on the go. The sleeping area includes a plush, fold-out bed that transforms into a cozy sleeping space, ensuring a restful night's sleep after a day of adventure. The Rey also includes a spacious dining and lounging area, complete with a removable table and comfortable seating. This versatile space can be used for meals, relaxation, or as an additional sleeping area when needed. The attention to detail in the interior design ensures that every aspect of the camper van is both practical and enjoyable, making it a true home away from home. In addition to its practical features, the Rey Camper van is equipped with modern technology to enhance the overall travel experience. A state-of-the-art navigation system ensures that you never lose your way, while the solar panel setup provides a reliable source of power for all your electronic devices. The van also includes a built-in water filtration system, ensuring that you have access to clean and safe drinking water no matter where your adventures take you. Another notable feature of the Rey is its emphasis on sustainability. The van is designed with eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems, reflecting a commitment to minimizing environmental impact. This focus on sustainability aligns with the growing trend of responsible travel and ensures that the Rey Camper van is a conscientious choice for eco-minded adventurers. The Rey Camper van also boasts a stylish and modern exterior design, making it a standout presence on any adventure. Its sleek lines and bold color options give it a contemporary look, while the high-quality finish and attention to detail ensure that it turns heads wherever it goes. The van's design not only enhances its off-road capabilities but also adds a touch of sophistication to your travel experience. As the popularity of off-road and boondocking adventures continues to rise, the Rey Camper van stands out as a top choice for those seeking a versatile and capable vehicle. Its combination of rugged performance, luxurious amenities, and modern technology makes it a compelling option for adventurers who demand the best from their travel companions. In summary, the Rey Camper van represents the pinnacle of off-road adventure vehicles. Its robust construction, advanced capabilities, and luxurious interior make it the ultimate choice for those who want to explore the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort. With the Rey Camper van, the road less traveled becomes an opportunity for unforgettable experiences and boundless exploration.